Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto, and today I want to talk to you about how to trade the non-farm payroll or NFP. And right now it's about 10 minutes before the official news kicks off, and it is predicted that the U.S. dollar will pick up. And right now I'm trading Euro USD. You can trade Pound USD or Euro USD for this example, and many of the major USD currency pairs like USD CHF or USD JPY. But Euro USD is probably the most popular with the lowest spread. So this is the one we're going to use for the example. And it is predicted that US dollar will go up, and which means that Euro USD will go down. And in the last 5 minutes, it's already shot down some. And usually the initial drop or price movement is kind of a speculation. We don't know till the next 15 minutes what the price will actually do. It could come down a little bit and then shoot skyrocket up. So with that said, what I like to do is place two pending orders. All right, we're going to do above and below. Let me show you. I'm on a 30-minute chart, so I'm going to put a pending order up here and another pending order down here below. All right, here's the two lines, basically. And so we're going to do a buy stop. Oops. Go to pending order, and we're going to do a buy stop real quick here. And we'll do 1.18, put 900, huh? That's fine. That should be fine enough. And then don't worry about a take profit or stop loss. And hit place. And then we're going to do a sell stop below. Alright. And go here. Pending order. Sell stop. And price will be 1.18. I'm going to put 400. Alright. And we're just going to place that. And put down here. Oops. That's too low. Should do 500. Let me modify that. Sorry. Put 1.18500. Modify. There we go. So we got that right there. And actually, you know what? I want it a little bit higher. 600 maybe. Alright, that's good enough. So, and I could actually raise this a little more. So, either way, I don't know exactly what the price will do. And I'm thinking it's going to go up. I mean, down. But it probably will go up some and then shoot down. And I want to pause the video and just come back in the next 10 minutes or so and then see exactly what the price does. And then we'll see what happens. Now, what I like to do is, let's say the price does come down, like probably anticipated, and trips this. Then what we'll do is we'll just wait. It probably will keep dropping, and then we'll just wait. It keeps dropping. Now, if it comes back up and goes up to this one, then I'll close this order and then let this one ride out. Alright, so hopefully they won't both trip. It's possible, but not likely. Usually if the news comes out that the US dollar is strong, then this will just keep dropping. So, and then if you look on a daily chart and weekly chart, you see that the Euro USD is already maxed out and it's been traveling up for quite some time. So the US dollar is expected to gain in strength. It's been real weak the past few weeks, past month. So the time for it to turn around is now. Even if you look on the monthly chart, it shows strong bearish. It's going to strong sell. So we can anticipate that the price is going to come down, but we don't know for certain. But that's what we're going to hedge on and bet on. And so let me pause the video and I'll come back to you in a little bit, okay? See you in a few minutes. Hello, I'm back now, and it's only been a couple minutes. And as expected, the price just dropped. And we see a trip dependent order right here, and it is just dropping like crazy right now. I'm on a 0.01 lot and it's already hit almost $2. That's 200 pips in like 10 seconds, which is just unheard of. So, um, so what I did was, okay, let me show you real quick. What I did was I went to, I had it open right here. Went to the calendar right here on Forex Factory. All right, give you an idea.
Well, not at the pace they're talking about, Brian. I mean, even Fed officials have talked about, reducing the balance.
Let's see if we turn that off. What I did was looked at the non-farm payroll change here. It's expected to actually go down, but if you look at the data, um, it had gone up, and it said the actual greater than forecast will go up, and some of the past data. Let me refresh this. This is not current. All right, so if we look at some of the past data, it has improved a little bit. This was not good, but U.S. dollar. Let's see. I was looking at something earlier. I forgot what it was. Yeah, see right here, U.S. dollar, it went up as expected. So Canadian dollar went up a little bit too, got a boost. So we can expect. This is how you gotta look at it. And I was just basing on other economic data. I forgot exactly what I was looking at. Maybe I was looking at investing.com, but I was looking at somewhere and it said they projected the U.S. dollar to go up. So you just have to kind of look at the news and what to expect. Now, I know from looking at different news forecasts that the U.S. dollar was expected to go up, and it's been going down for quite some time. So now is the time for it to come back up. And if we look here, it's still just dropping like crazy. It's almost 300 pips now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just let it ride, and I'm going to wait. One of these higher time frames, 4 hours got a super signal, but it's breaking every level of support right now. And probably what it's going to do is come down here towards this daily support. That's kind of what we're looking for. And if it comes down here to this daily support, then I'll close it. Alright, so that's how you trade this NFP. Watch your news and just kind of get an idea of what to expect for the future. But even so, if I've been reading the news, just come to a 30-minute time frame on a 30-minute chart, and when you see the price right here ranging in this area right here, this is where it's been all day, for last few hours. But you set a pending order above. As a matter of fact, let me close that one there. I don't need that no more. But you set a pending buy stop above and a buy stop below, and then one of the two is going to trip. And the difference between the two is roughly about 300 pips. Alright, you want about 300 pip difference so the price won't just come down, spike, and then go back up again. It has happened like that. It's very rare. Usually, once they know, even the speculators can speculate the price is going to start dropping. 5 minutes before the news release, you already saw the price coming down a little bit. So, with that said, just set your pending orders about 300 pips apart, and just wait. And whichever one trips, then cancel the other, and then just let it ride out. Right now, we see it jumping back up, which is fine, but I expect, in the next few hours, it to continue to drop down. So we already know that the news was bearish for the Euro USD, bullish for USD. So I'm just going to just kind of wait and see what happens, and hopefully I'll get about 500 pips. That's kind of my goal, my target. So anyhow, that's how you trade the NFP. I hope this helps. Please let me know if I was able to explain it well enough, or if you have any questions. I'll leave a link below I'll below this video to my Facebook page. I'll leave a link to my Facebook group. You can post questions in my Facebook group, and real simple strategy. But let me know if this helps. You understand how to trade the NFP. I know there's a lot of other videos on YouTube, so just compare and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.